In this video, we will see how to perform background removal. Go to the Process tab in the right panel and under Processing, click on the plus symbol next to Filters. Click on Background Removal and hit the Apply button. Here we perform the average background removal. On the right, you can see the available options which you can change. By default, all traces are used to calculate the average trace. By turning the complete length option off, we can select how many traces we want to use. Let's select 100. Also, by default, the complete time window is used to calculate the average trace. We can turn the complete window option off and select the time window we want to keep by specifying the start time and the end time in nanoseconds. Let's change the end time to 4 nanoseconds. Once you have done the necessary changes, click again on the Apply button for these changes to take effect. In order to see the effect in the data visualization window, you need to select this filter from the list at the bottom of a B-scan. Comparing with the raw data at the top window, you can see now that the background was removed.